Headed on a cruise? Whether it's your first time or your fifth, I've got fun ideas for sea days and money-saving tips you don't want to miss, so you can cruise smarter and enjoy every wave. Let's go. Number 1. Sea days are the perfect time to actually explore the cruise ship. I know it sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people stick to the same spots. Walk around, check out every floor, peek into the lounges, and maybe you'll stumble upon a hidden bar or a quiet little nook with ocean views. Think of cruises like a floating city. Number 2, attend onboard activities. There's always something happening on a sea day. Bingo, trivia, dance lesson, cooking demos. Usually with Royal Caribbean, they have a dedicated channel where they go over what's going to be offered on a daily basis. So grab your daily schedule and pick a few. You might end up in a silent disco or learning how to fold towel animals. It's a vibe, but there's so much to do. Number 3, lounge by the pool. Sometimes the best plan is no plan at all. Whether you're chilling, sipping on a piña colada like I am, or getting lost in a book, poolside relaxation is a sea day classic. Although, if you go to the pool that's outdoors, most likely it's going to get packed, or they're going to have a live show going on, or they're going to be playing a movie. It's usually not a quiet space, but it's a lot of fun. Number 4. Catch a show or a movie. End your sea day on a high note with a show or a movie. Whether it's a big stage production or a comedy night or a movie under the stars with popcorn, just sit back, relax, and let the ship entertain you. Number 5, take photos around the ship. Sea days are perfect for capturing content, especially when everyone's up doing their own thing and the ship isn't too crowded. Find the best spots for your photos. By the railing, on the top deck, in front of that big fancy staircase. Yes, the one everyone uses for formal night. Trust me, golden hour at sea hits different. Number 6. Do absolutely nothing. Don't underestimate the power of doing absolutely nothing. No schedule, no alarms, just you, a cozy lounge chair, and the sound of the ocean. Sometimes the best part of a sea day is just letting go and enjoying the fact that there's literally nowhere else you need to be. Now I want to share with you 3 tips on cruises. Skip the drink package if you don't drink much. If you're not a drinker, skip the ultimate drink package. They seem like a good idea, but unless you're having several cocktails a day, it's often cheaper to pay per drink, or stick to the free stuff like tea, coffee, and lemonade. Some ships even let you bring a bottle of wine on board. Number 2, book shore excursions independently. Shore excursions through the cruise line are convenient because they wait for you if you're late, but they could be pricey. A little research can save you a lot. Try booking directly with local tour companies or even exploring on your own. Just make sure you keep track of the time so that you don't miss the ship, because if you're not on an excursion with the cruise line, the ship will leave and you would have to find your way to the other port. Number 3, take advantage of free onboard activities. You don't need to spend extra to have fun. For example, you don't need to pay for restaurants because there are all-inclusive restaurants that offer great food, and it's really the same food sometimes. Cruises are packed with free activities like live shows, trivia games, karaoke, fitness classes, movies, and more. Check the daily schedule and take full advantage. Entertainment is already included in your fare, so make the most out of it. I have lots of more cruise videos down in the info box. I've explored the United Arab Emirates, I've explored the Mediterranean, and I recently went on a cruise through Italy, Greece, and Croatia. All of that will be linked down below. I hope that you guys love it. I have tons of cruise videos with lots of tips, and I take you sightseeing, I take you on excursions, I take you to restaurants. So there's a little bit of everything. I hope you subscribe. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you next time. Bye.